Go ahead, beat her. She's doing her trick. Go ahead.
Pray.
She's not going to pray right there. She only prays over at the other part.
She's so confused. Little rat. You taking any pictures? You take any pictures of the whole thing? Of just one long string before Bird got a hold of it? My fingers. Look down, stupid. Look down, stupid. Stop. Okay, look. See it? See?